As county government of Uasin Gishu, one of our focus investment is in health. And in health, we are striving to make the services in health accessible. With the support of our partners today, in the equipment we are receiving, particularly in automating our facilities, we are not just looking at the automation. You know, when people hear about computers, they just think about typing memos, printing. But for us, we are looking at how do we use technology to be able to access specialized healthcare services from our specialized personnel. So the connectivity that is going to be in our facilities is going to enable us share the few specialists that we have within our ranks in our human resource department in health. When our facilities are connected, it makes it possible for a consultant to actually diagnose or attend to a patient in another facility. We want to assure our partners of our commitment to working together in making sure that this project succeeds. The biggest challenge we have had in government is to get funds, but again, expend those funds using foreign companies. And therefore, money that had already arrived in the country, leaving the country again. When we have local companies like Circuit Business Systems getting these jobs, we are assured that that money will be invested here in Kenya. And it is going to stimulate the economy, and our economy is going to grow. And already, they have accepted to engage some young people to help them do this work. So they don't have to come and do the work here, but they will just have one person to supervise around.
We are doing 52 hospitals in 14 counties. So I would like to say, Your Excellency, that at least you are among the 14, so that means I think you do a good work. That's why I think you have been included in this project. We are going to start doing the installation. Some of the equipment which we are going to install will include things like what you have seen, the laptops, the computers, the truck is full. We have the switches, the UPS. So basically what we are going to do LAN installation. And once we finish the LAN installation, we're going to install the server, the cabinet, the phones, so that there will be a seamless communication between all the hospitals we are going to install. They will be able to communicate with each other. They'll be able to communicate with the governor here through internet once we install the services.
We have worked with Uasin Gishu County since the year 2014 to improve maternal and newborn health outcomes. We mainly focus on working with healthcare workers at facility levels, training them with skills that will be able to save mothers and newborn babies, as you know, in the maternity wards, so that then we have less deaths, because we know that's really a dangerous period for a mother and for their child. We have been able to mobilize funds from our friends abroad. We are affiliated to the Liverpool School of Tropical Medicine, which is a British charity, and they have been running a campaign which is called the Bump It Forward campaign, and have raised funds for many countries, but Kenya has been given a priority. And Kenya being given a priority, you should know it's not everywhere in Kenya. Also, Uasin Gishu, because of our long-standing relationship, has been given a priority. So we are here to present the personal protective equipment that shall be going to 5 of the facilities that we work in, and we are really glad that we are here. We are also here to present training equipment, emergency obstetric training equipment to the county government, so that it may facilitate this process. So we are really grateful, and we hope to continue working in partnership together.
To Liverpool School of Tropical Medicine, Lucy, we want to thank you. Your organization is among the few partners we have in health who have been very straightforward, deliberate, and targeted in their programs towards improving maternal health care. We, as residents of this county, want to thank you very much. This is not the first time your organization is supporting us. You have supported us in the past in our West Maternity Hospital. You've continued to work with our Department of Health in a very collaborative manner with maximum cooperation. And we also want to assure your organization of our government commitment to utilize whatever resources you've given to us for service delivery, for improving healthcare in this county.
We also want to thank the USAID in collaboration with the University of Nairobi and Ministry of Health for donating to us ICT equipment that will go to 4 of our health facilities towards providing ICT, and that will enable us to provide to have data up to date in our ICT system and improve our ICT systems.
Technology is everything, and those who ignore it do it at their own peril. I want to thank London School of Tropical Medicine for the PPEs, but we want to urge the residents of Uasin Gishu, COVID is real, it's still there, we need to take care. We may get the support of those PPEs, but your own decision to be careful counts most.
Let us not relax, let us not lower our guard. Social distance, wash your hands, sanitize, mask and mask up correctly. Maneno ya kuvaa mask kwa jean ama unavaa mask unafunika mdomo unawaja mapua haujasaidia. Na I've reminded you always, wearing a mask is not to protect you against the police, the county commissioner, ACC, Kanjo, ama governor. It is to protect you against COVID.
Ni mitambo ya ICT sasa ndio His Excellency anapokea mahali pale. Na sasa hizi mitambo ili siweze kutumika kuboresha mawasiliano katika vituo vyetu vya afya. Makofi mazuri kabisa kwa mitambo. Tunaona vifaa kutoka Liverpool ambavyo vitatumika kuboresha afya ya mama na mtoto.
Uasin School of Tropical Medicine. Thank you. USAID certification system. Na usijaribu kufuata hiyo gari ati unaenda kuchukua kompyuta. My friend.
His Excellency Governor wetu kutuletea wageni jioni ya leo, na tunawakaribisha wote washikadau ambao wameweza kushiriki siku ya leo.